Hi, folks. I hope all of you are doing great. I'm back with the weekly analysis, and it's been quite a week with so much of news flow. Starting off with the Adani stocks, and then the budget, obviously bringing in more volatility. And the expiry this time around was also kind of tough. So I was talking to a few traders, and the expiry has been tough as well this week. So yeah, but let's look at the charts. Let's get cracking on the index chart. So this is Nifty daily chart, and on the daily currently, if you look at it, we've broken this. We have, I mean, the uptrend is halted, and now we are getting into a downtrend right now. Right. Another important thing that I want like to highlight is if you look at what has happened in the last 1.5 years. So the markets were at a similar level back in September 2021, which is around 17,800, and presently also you're trading around the same level. So in a way, market has not moved anywhere in the past almost 17 to 18 months, right? So this, what we can say is that this is a time correction. Generally, there are two types of corrections. One is when we see price coming down from the high, which has not happened too much. So from the highs, which is 18,800 or so, we've hardly corrected 1,000 points, right? So not even 10%. So that correction from the highs is not that much, but the time correction has been intense. So we've been in this range for almost 18 months now, right? So but it cannot continue that way. We'll have to break this range sooner or later. So let's see when that happens. I think whenever that happens, you're also going to get some good trending moves in the stocks as well as the indices, right? So yeah, but I mean, we also have to understand that we got a massive up move from the lows of 2020, which was from 7,500 we moved to 18,500, almost 2.5 times, right? And that too in less than 18 months. So yeah, after such a big move, you expect either a time correction or a price correction. So in this case, we've been served with time correction, and we'll have to be patient with our investments as well, right? When this kind of scenario happens. So yeah, so we are sort of in a downtrend on the Nifty. Downtrend will get confirmed below 17,360. So this is a time when I would be looking to go short if we break the budget candle low. That will be definitely that will be a good signal to go short, right? On the Bank Nifty, similar thing. On the daily chart, we broke the previous pivot low, which was around 41,600 levels. This got broken in a very quick fashion, and then the budget candle was pretty big. We got two nice green candles after the budget day. So yeah, so still, I mean, if we break 39,500, that is where I'll be looking to go short aggressively. As of now, the trade that I've taken on Bank Nifty is of reversal from the early support. So there's sorry, so there's a support line here. So we got a pivot here around 40,300. Similarly, we got another pivot here around uh, 39,900. So this was, sorry, 39,900. So around 39,900 we got two reversals. One is this one, the other one is the line that you see here. So what we did was, once we got a slight uptrend on the 15 minutes, so change in trend happened in the 15-minute chart, and I decided to go short on the 39,500 put for this particular week. So we took a short position on 39,500 put around 130, right? And let's see how that trade works out. Still 4 days to go, next week, that is. So that's the trade that I have on right now. I would not shy away from selling calls if I see a downtrend on the 15-minute chart. So as of now, it's like a lot of rejections here, but from top also there is a good amount of resistance if you look at the daily chart. So this is the resistance level from where the breakout happened. On the budget day, this got crossed, but again, it could not hold. So if we get another rejection from this area, that is 41,500, I would be looking to short a call as well. So then my position will be both call short and put short. So let's see how that works out. So that's it for the coming week in terms of the indices. Biocon also is steadily moving downward. So folks who've been following my weekly analysis videos, they would know that Biocon has been on my radar for a while, and I've been looking to waiting for it to get to levels between 210 to 230. And this week, briefly, it came down to 229, 230 level. So now it's something that I would be interested in taking a long position, but I'm waiting for a trend change on the 30-minute or a early chart for me to go ahead. So I'm waiting for a higher high formation here. If and when I get that, that is when I'll try to initiate. Maybe I'll buy some of it in cash, uh, and also try to create a debit spread, right? So let's see if there's something interesting. I'll definitely share it with the folks on the app, and yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for this week. If you like the video, please comment, share it with other people that you know who might be interested in the markets. And Yeah, that's it. So have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.